Hi everyone, welcome to Super Sweet Sketches, and today we're going to be finding out how do sharks brush their teeth? Well, to answer that question I'm with my son Zayn.
Hello everyone.
And he's going to help me figure this out. So what we're going to do is first of all draw our shark. So we're going to do a little fin just about here. Okay, just a little triangle. So maybe you can start just over this way for the fin. Okay. And then we're going to do a nice curve. And then the classical sharp point. The very top that we see often in the water, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. And now, bottom part, I'm going to stop short here. Yeah. And then I'm going to continue it all the way around. And then I'm going to close it to form a near circle. And I'm just running out a bit of space here, so I'm just going to try and make do with what I've got. Okay, very nice. We now have to do big round circles, just about here. And we're going to do smaller circles on the inside. And give them a little bit of light. Yeah, very good. Just very carefully colour that in. So what we've got now is almost a shark done. Put a line right across and down. And we're going to give him some special teeth. I like the way your shark's looking. He looks like he's a bit hungry. And curve down all the way up to complete the mouth. That's a very interesting shark there, Zayn. I like the look of him. I think he's more happy than my shark. I think he's had a better meal. Let's see. I'm going to put another fin, which is going to act like a hand holding something. So just a bit lower, curve down, not too big. That's perfect. Okay, and now to the tricky bit. I'm going to do a little sort of an oval just up here. It's a bit tricky, yeah. And then that little gap we had, we can just fill out and put the bristles of a toothbrush. Okay, and now he's got to be holding this now, isn't it? So very carefully, we'll draw a line that goes right across and down. Perfect. That's really good. Right, so now, I haven't answered that question, how do they brush their teeth? Because he's holding a toothbrush, but who's supplying the toothpaste? Let's have a look over here. We've got
The pilot.
What is it?
The pilot fish.
It's a pilot fish. Wow, I've never heard of those before. So we've got a little fin, well, tail I should say, and then this is going to sweep upwards like a little teardrop shape. Yeah, that's it. And continue around, yeah. That's it. Okay, and I'm going to put a little fin here. And just a little line, another little line. Yeah, just little lines. And then put a rectangle down, rectangle shape. Like that. See mine? Just flares at the very bottom. Then up. That's going to be a tube of toothpaste. Do they really use toothpaste? I think I'll have to leave that one to my expert, my son Zayn, who knows all about the fish. What do those pilot fish do?
They clean the shark's teeth without even getting eaten.
You mentioned a long word before where something lives with something else and they have a special relationship.
Symbiosis.
Yes, symbiosis. Wow, that's a really long word. What is that exactly? Tell me about that.
They need each other because the pilot needs protection from the shark and the shark needs a pilot fish for some tooth cleaning.
I see, yeah. Okay, so now we have to do a circle here. And I'm going to put a little circle just on the inside. Make a little bit of a mouth. And join this circle up. Very good. And I'm going to give the classical stripes of the pilot fish. It's like a bank robber or zebra. Really brave pilot fish, does a really good job. And what we'll do now is we're going to go super fast. Yeah, really super fast. And maybe just before we do that, I'm going to put a few little bubbles. Okay, and we'll go super fast and plug in. Okay, so the first thing is we'll probably use the blue. Call that nice, lovely shark, a nice blue colour. Okay, and keep on colouring in all the way around. Okay, and we have to do the inside pink. Maybe I'm going to give a nice yellow colour for the toothbrush. I think that would be near completion of our picture today. Just a little bit of blue over here. That's a really good picture, that, Zayn. I like the way your shark looks like he's really enjoying his toothbrushing. So you see, even sharks need help with their teeth. I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and why not subscribe for more videos just like this one. Bye from me, and bye from Zayn.
Bye bye.